Hello friends, today we shall discuss exercise 3.6 question number 1. Find the HCF of the following numbers, right? We'll find the HCF of following numbers, that is 18 and 48. 18, question number A is 18 and 48. Is 18 and 48. Now 18 and 48. Now 18 by prime factorization method we'll find, that is 2, 9 is 18 and 3 is a 9. So you can write 18 as 2 into 3 into 3, and 48 can be written as 48 can be written as 2 2 is 4, 2 4 is 8, again 2 1 is 2, 2 is 4, 2 6 is 12, 2 6 is 12, 2 3 is 6, 2 3 is 6. Therefore 48 can be written as 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 3, right? Therefore HCF, highest common factor, HCF of 18 and 48 is equal to, we'll find the common, here 2 is common we are getting, right? 2 into, here you find 3 is also common, you see this 3 is also common, there is 2 into 3, the highest common factor is 6, right? Here you see 6 is 18 and 6 is 48, therefore HCF is equal to 6. This is question number A. Now we will solve question number B, right? What is question number B? You see, question number B is 30 and 42, right? Question number B. We will solve question number B, that is 30 and 42, right? We'll find LCM by LCM method for 30 by 2, 15 is 30, and by 3, 5 is 15. Therefore, you are getting 2 into 3 into 5 and 42. 42 can be written as 42 by 2, that is 2 2 is 4, 2 1 is 2, and 3 7 is 21. 3 7 is 21. Therefore, it can be written as 2 into 3 into 7. Therefore, HCF, highest common factor, HCF of 42 and 30 is equal to, find the common, here you see 2 is common in both, right? 2 into 3 is also common, 3, that is 2 3 is 6, right? 6 5 is 30 and 6 7 is 42, right? Therefore, the HCF is 6. Therefore, HCF of 30 and 42 is 6. Now, we will solve question number C. C is 18 and 30 and 60. In question number C, we are getting 18 and 60. 18, that is 2 into 2 9 is 18, and 3 3 is 9. That is equal to 2 into 3 into 3. And 60 can be written as 60. By LCM method, we will find 2 3 is 6, 0, 2, 15 is 30, and 3 5 is 15. Therefore, in place of 60, we can write 2 into 2 into 3 into 5. Therefore, HCF of 18 and 60 is equal to find the common. The 2 is common, therefore 2 into 3 is also common. You see, 3 is also common. 2 into 3, that is 6, right? Therefore, HCF of 18 and 60 is 6. Now, question number D. Next, we will do question number D. Question number D is question number D. Here see, question number D is 2763. 2763. Now, we will find the factors of prime factorization method, that is 27 by 3, 3 9 is 27 and 3 3 is 9. Then you can write 3 into 3 into 3 and 63 can be written as 3 2 is 6, 3 1 is 3 2 is 6, 3 1 is 3 and 3 7 is 21. Therefore, 3 into 3 into 3 into 7. Therefore, HCF of 27 and 63 is equal to, here you find the common, that is you getting 3 common, right? Equal to 3 into, again you are getting 3 common, here you see 3 is common, 3 into 3, that is 9. Therefore, HCF of 27 and 63 is 9, right? Therefore, the answer is 9. This is the solution of question number D. Next, we'll do question number E, right? Now, question number E. Question number E is 36 and 84, right? Question number E. 36 and 84. 36 and 84. 36 will divide it by 2. 2 8 is 36 and divided by again 2. 2 9 is 18 and 3 3 is 9, right? Therefore, we are getting 2 into 2, 2 into 2 into 3 into 3, right? Now we'll find the value of 84. Divide it by 2, that is 2 4 is 8 and 2 2 is 4, again by 2, 2 2 is 4, 2 1 is 2 and by 3 3 7 is 21, right? That is equal to 2 into 2 into 3 into 7. Therefore, HCF of 36 and 84 is, here you see 2 is common, right? That is 2 into, here you see 2 is also common again, 2 is also common, 2 into 2 into, here you see 3 is also common, 3, right? Into 3, right? Therefore, the answer is 2 to 4, 4 3 is 12, right? Therefore, the HCF of 36 and 84 is 12. Now we'll do the next question, that is question number F. Question number F is the number is 34 and 102, right? Question number F. Question number F. In question number F, the number is 34 and 102. 102, right? Now I'll find the factors of 34 first. 2, 2 1 2, 2 7 14, 22, 2 7 14, that is 2 into 7. We can write here as 1 into 2 into 17, right? And in case of 102, we are getting 102, that is 1 0 2. We divide it by 2, that is 2 5 10, 2 1 2, 51. And again we will divide it by 3 by 3, 3 1 3, 4 5 21, 3 7 21. Then we are getting 1 into 2 into 3 into 17 into 17, right? Therefore HCF of 34 and 102 is, what is common? 2 is common, right? That is 2 into, see, 17 is also common, right? 2 into 17, that is 34, right? Therefore this is the solution of question number F. Dear friends, if you like this video, please subscribe, like and share. Thank you everybody for watching this video.